Hi and welcome. Gorfon here. Your digital guy who likes digital cards. Today we rip some of the fire and ice packs in the Topps NHL Skate Hockey Card Trader app. Let's check the set. 243 cards are not exactly few, there we need a quantity. Let's see what awaits us in the article. The fire and ice style looks pretty worth collecting. So let's check the prices and evaluate how much we want to rip. Think we go with the standard pack. We'll do 20 packs in the hope that the digital card gods are kind to us. Starting with Nikita Zadorov. Pack number 2. Daniel Sprong. Pack number 3. Christian Jaros. Sean Dursey, First Fire 1. Number 4. Daniel Sprong, First Duke. Pack number 5. Ryan Lomberg. Next pack, number 6. Libor Hajek. Further with pack number 7. Simon Benoit. Robert Bortuzzo. And Alexander Radulov, rare. Was a damn nice pack, don't you think? Simon Benoit, this time fire. Robert Bortuzzo, ice version. On to pack number 9. Derek Forbort. Next pack. Nick Cousins. Already have way done, 10 packs more. Simon Benoit, again. Yep, Gustav Lindstrom, rare patch. So, pack number 12, we already have 2 rares. Kevin Connaughton. Number 13, here we go. Nico Sturm. Continue with pack number 14. Jeremy Lozon. Libor Hajek in fire version. Pack number 15. Liam O'Brien. Kevin Connaughton, this time in fire. Number 16. Nikita Zadorov duplicate. 4 packs left. Cal Foot. Pack number 18. Nikita Zadorov, well known. Pack number 19. Jeremy Lauzon, duplicate. Last pack, maybe some last pack magic? Jake Oettinger. Okay, 20 packs, I think we need a recap. We got 15 different commons, 5 fire uncommons, and 2 rares, this Alexander Radulov, and the Gustav Lindstrom with patch. So, what you think? Is it worth it? Do you hunt and for whom? Let your digital guy know in the comments. Hope to see you again. Gorfon out.